Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I think I will try to fix these latches. Should have put it in last week's video, but didn't have time. But today we're gonna get it done. Let's get rolling. First thing I'm going to do is remove these 4 screws so I can see what's wrong with this latch. Well, there's the problem. That's bent. Yeah. All I gotta do is bend that back. And I'll fix it. As you can see, there's a little bend. I hope you can see. So what I'm gonna do, just hit down on it a little bit. Take that bend out. So on this one, oh, I put it on upside down. Goes in just like that. Whoops, the washer goes on first. Then this. Come on. Hard to do it one-handed. Now, I know how those people who carry their cameras in their other hand feel. Let's put it in. It's hard to see. Still can't see it. Where is it? There it is. Got it. Breathing hard.
Just go.
My latches work. Let's see what else I need to fix. All right, this latch, now that I got it fixed, isn't catching this cleanly. It's hard to describe, but I need to raise this up. So what I'm going to do is take this off and build me some shims and put it under there. So let's do that. Got that piece off. Let's go make some shims. Found some scrap material in my scrap bin. Just set it up here in this saw and cut some strips out of it. now that I got my little piece cut out, I got to drill the holes. So it's going to be really hard to hold this little piece here. So what I'm going to do is put this clamp right here, and then once that hole starts, it'll just swing around and stop against that. So let's start this. Okay, got the hole marked. Let me make the rest of these holes and we'll see if they fit. Be able to put those in. Did not think about that problem. Well, I forgot that I have no way to secure these holes now. So now I'm thinking about rebuilding this and making my shim an angle iron. I think it'll be strong enough if I go down this way and in that way. So let me try that. Good thing about having been doing projects for years and years and years, you always got material in your scrap bin. So I got some old rusted angle iron, and that's the beauty about metal. That rust will clean up if you grind on it long enough. So let me cut some pieces off of this and we'll whittle them down to size. Get all of them. Probably should have cleaned it up before I cut them. But, yeah. I don't have a good way to hold this and cut it with my other saw, so I'm gonna have to cut it with a cutoff wheel. Let me put on my ear protection. This is what I come up with here. Drill some more holes.
Go for it.
Got all the holes drilled in this piece. What I'm going to do is put in some longer screws, both here and there. So let's see how that works. Probably should have put these in before I tighten that up. I hope these are not too long. I don't know what all this material is. Went in though. Feels tight. Solid as a rock. Let's see if it works. All right. Looks like it's holding. What I really need to do is go inside and see what it looks like from inside, but I don't need to put that on camera. Now I got to do 3 more. Well, yeah, I can count right. I'm really happy how these latches turned out. I've been meaning to fix those for a long time because I've been traveling around not able to lock up my cargo hold, but I'm glad I got that done. I really enjoyed making this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. And if I'm lucky, I'll see you next time on My Retired Life. First I'm going to do, take these 4 screws out. You know, I got the wrong bit in here. This is not my square bit. Are we rolling? Let's take, first thing I'm going to do, take these 4 screws out. You know what? These screws are smaller than these screws, so I need a smaller square bit. Or, you know what? That's just a Phillips. That ain't a square.